Hey everybody, just want to make a quick video on lighting options for the Bandai Star Wars Millennium Falcon Lando Calrissian version. Okay, so Bandai has these lighting kits for the Falcon. It comes with two LEDs and it fits perfectly inside here. And as you can see, there's a rear compartment that panel comes off and you can access the batteries and the light switch. And since there's two of them, you can put one in the rear for the engines and you can put one in the cockpit. There is a middle section here that's kind of unique to this Falcon that I spent a lot of time on painting, and unfortunately there's no lighting option for this. I could drill a hole here and put one of the LEDs in here, but then I'd have to sacrifice either the cockpit or the engines. So I'm going to end up probably doing my own lighting option for this particular Falcon, but stay tuned for that one. Anyway, all right, so in the rear here, they have these LED holders that you put in certain locations for the light, and in the instructions it kind of shows this to point out towards the engine grill. What I did was I took some household aluminum foil and I put a nice long strip here across the entire back here, and I pointed the LED towards that instead of out so that I'd be able to bounce the light around and have it come out. I'll show you that in a little bit. Okay, so the other thing here was the cockpit. Now, the cockpit has its official LED light point here, which is at the back wall. So basically you're supposed to put it here and have it point towards the back wall. So the idea is, I guess, to drill holes in the back wall and use some photo etch or whatever and have it light up, like, you know, have it lit up buttons on the back wall. I almost did that, but then I also realized that they really wouldn't light up the cockpit in general, which I kind of wanted to have light in the cockpit. So in this particular case, what I did was I took some more of my whole household aluminum foil and I made a T-section and I put that on the floor. And then I ran my LED out all the way as far as it can go. And I just put some tack, some sticky tack, just to keep it in place. All right, so let's see what this looks like when you light it up. So flipping the switch, and look at that. So basically, with the cover on, this is what you'll be seeing when it's in the display cabinet. That looks pretty good. I'm really happy with that. You can see the ceiling and all the painting job I did on the inside. So that's pretty awesome. I'm gonna be happy with that. Where's the other piece? The other piece, well, oh yeah, here it is. Let's see. So basically, I mean, yeah, if you look straight up, it kind of shines up at you, but you won't really see that much with everything together. So that looks pretty cool. Now, looking at the back here, let me turn off the lights. You can see, using that aluminum foil, that one LED bounces around quite a bit, and that's lit up kind of nicely, I think. So there's a poor man's tool there. I'm sure there's lots of fancy schmancy products out there to reflect light, but aluminum foil works pretty good, I think. So, all right, this my tip of the day, lighting up the Calrissian Falcon. So I guess in general, this is pretty cool. I might end up doing this on one of my other Falcons, but my disappointment is I can't light this up with this particular kit. So I'll end up doing probably something on my own to light up all three areas, or even four areas. I mean, at this point, if I'm going to do my own, I'm probably going to put an LED there like it is and another one behind it to light up the wall so it can show the buttons. All right. That's about it, guys. So until next time.